gonna be a good day.
Gas cast in the Yamaha, 2-stroke versus 4.
New bike boys too. It's the nicest stuff we ever had.
Is that 25?
25.
250F?
Wood bike, yeah.
26 YZ 250.
Got the stiff setup in it now, so first test. See how she does.
We actually set the sag on the YZ last night.
Yeah, about time.
Should hopefully be way better because the bike always felt kind of weird when I would ride it. Getting some gas right now. Got a 2-hour drive to NCMP. Gonna meet up with one of Nate's buddies.
3 hours later.
Made it out to NCMP. Got the bikes out here, all prepped. Threw the gear on. Ready to go.
Oh yeah.
You ready? Already. They're still out there ripping on the track. I don't have nearly enough endurance like they do. I don't know how they do it. I'm over here sweating. It's pretty hot and humid out right now, so take a break, get back out there. Gang's all here. So weird now. And I'm not trying to fall because it's slick. Hell yeah. Dude, fuck yeah, he's ripping. Dude, that's a gnarly jump for a trail bike. Hell yeah. midday. It's about to rain. I don't know how bad. They said it's probably gonna pour. So, do some stuff under the truck. We're gonna go ride some woods. Hopefully it ain't too bad. We gonna ride in the rain?
I'll ride in the rain.
Yeah, there we go.
I'll ride till it floods, brother.
Let the gas rip.
Feel good today.
You look good.
Got the springs in. Hit a couple jumps. Trying to keep up with the old Yzilla.
I think you might be faster than me today. You're running pretty good.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure, okay.
You get the idea.
I just smacked one on my hand. It fucking hurts. Like bad.
Probably bleeding.
Probably.
Yeah.
Right on the pinky.
These flags look like they would do something, but they don't. When you hit something, they fold straight into your knuckles, and it makes it hurt so much worse.
I need handguards ASAP.
All these do is like the little shit like this, but if you hit a tree, it just folds it straight into your knuckle. It kills.
One pair of pants later.
Are you gone? I think so.
Hey, $40 to ride here, so I'm gonna get my $40 worth. Ugh.
The moto in the lightning storm? See how our boys ride.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Let's at least go under that thing.
Yeah, so we're not getting more wet. Out here in the rain loading up, and it's pouring right now.
So bad.
It's ridiculous.
Even got Nate in his underwear. This is so gnarly, and it will not stop.
This video's 18 plus.
Holy crap. We were trying to get our money's worth riding in the rain, but it's kind of worked against us.
It was fun though. For like 3 laps it was so fun. For those 3 laps it was perfect.
Yeah, good day riding. It was worth it.